x plus 3, this is the first part. By taking cube of x plus 3, then practically we are taking the whole cube. Cube means we are taking the whole cube. As we know that according to the identity a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now what we have to do? We have to see the reflection. What is the reflection? Reflection, here we have the reflection. The reflection of A is X, okay? A is X and the reflection of B is 3. Or in other words, in place of A there is X, in place of B there is 3. So we are going to solve according to the identity. Now we are saying X A cube, sign of equality is very important, plus B is what? Which one is B? 3. Then B cube plus 3. From where I get the 3? Because 3 is in the identity. And which one is A? A is X and B is 3. Then A is, again, A is X and then B is plus is in the identity in the formula and the 3. Bracket close. In this, now the second step would be, we are going to open x cube will be x cube and 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27. This 3 base is 3, so this 3 will be multiplied by itself. अपने ही number से यानी 3 3 से multiply होगा, ये 3 times होगा. Then 3 3s are 9 and 9x and then x plus 3. The last step, the second last step, not the last one, x cube again plus 27. You will rewrite plus 9 and x. You multiply this 9 and this x with this. It will be 9x square. And the same process will be repeated with this one, x plus 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27, and this x will be with this, here x. The last step, in the last step we will write in the descending order, x cube plus 9x square plus 27 x. Last term would be 27. If you see what is descending order from bigger to smaller, we will see according to the power, x power 3, then x power 2, then x power 1. 1 is, it is not mentioned, it is already understood that there is 1. And there is x power 0. Yani mean there is x power 0 mean there is 1 only. So if there is x power 0, it means x power 0 means according to exponent law, it is equals to 1. So that is why we are not writing here x power, it is 1. So 27 multiplied by 1 is equals to 27. It is according to the exponent law. Move to the next question. The next question is x square plus 2x 2y, or the a plus 4b. Second one is a plus 4b. First of all, by taking cube,
मैम यहाँ पे टॉकिंग
cube,
मैम ये आपने लिखा बाय टॉकिंग टू
taking by taking cube,
ओके मैम
by taking cube, by taking cube, we get a plus 4b whole square, whole cube. Then sign of equality, a cube, here a is already a, so a cube plus what is b? B is 4b, so we will take 4b whole, 4b whole cube.
ओके मैम
Then actually this is a and this is b. A and b. According to the formula, a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. B. Now, in place of A, there is A already here. In place of B, there is 4B. Now, 3 is from the formula. A is A and B is 4B. 4B. And A plus B is A plus 4B. Bracket close. Now next step is a cube. 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 16 4s are 64. 4 times multiply by 4. 4 multiply by 4 multiply by 4. This 4 will be multiplied by itself 4 times. 4 से 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई होगा, देन b क्यूब, 3 4 are 12 plus 12 ab।
मैम 4 खुद से 4 दफा मल्टीप्लाई होगा या 4 3 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा?
खुद से।
और खुद से 4 क्यूब
खुद से 4 टाइम्स।
हाँ 4 ना टाइम्स ही 3 टाइम्स, जो पावर होगी ना उसके हिसाब से, जैसे 4 अगर 3 टाइम्स है तो 4 इंटू 4 इंटू 4, 4 3 नहीं करना आपने डायरेक्ट, ओके। यही चीज प्रॉब्लम
Okay,
करती
ma'am.
है, ठीक है। 4 4 are 16, 16 multiplied by 4 is 64,
Okay,
then
ma'am.
a plus 4b, a plus 4b।
मैम मैं भी इसका कंफ्यूज हो गई।
What happened? Time is finished.
नथिंग।
64, okay. This is 64 b cube 12 12, okay, this 12ab will be multiplied with this one, so there is no coefficient, 12 will come again, 12 will come 12, 12 ones are 12, a multiplied by a is a square and b will come along with this, then 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48. So 48 here, A, there is no A, like term is B, two same bases. In multiplication, powers will be added, 48 AB square. So the answer is, there is no descending order. If you want to, you can write like that. According to, there are two variables A and B. According to A, we will write A cube. Then if there is square, 12A, sorry, 12A square B, and then again 48 C cube, A square, A cube, A square, and here A 48, A only power 1, B, and then lastly we will write 64 B cube. Now this is all.